In this tutorial, we will see that how you can save your file in Canva. So to download design to PC or laptop in Canva. So for the first step, you can see here, there are two pages. Here is the one and here is second. Now to download these files from Canva, on the right upper side, you will see here this share button. If you click on that, it will open up like this, share this design. From here, simply you have to scroll it down where you will see this sum of options. You have to click on that download, then it will open up these download settings. Then open this file type. It is important to select the format of your project. Like in which format you want to save your project. It's on this PNG. It's best for images. But if you scroll it down, you will see here MP4 format. You can select it if you are exporting any kind of video. It's also showing here PDF option. So I want to export these two designs in image format. So I will select here JPG, which is best for sharing. After selecting it, you will see here two options to increase its size or quality. Then in select pages, if you open it, you will see here we have two pages. We can select the pages that you want to download. So I have selected these both and click done. Then you can also save this download settings from here if you check this. Then at last, simply click on this download. It will start downloading, but before it starts, it will ask you to select a location where you want to save it. Open that folder and click on save. And you can see here in my downloads folder, this file is downloaded. So that's how you can save your file in Canva. That will help you to download your designs to your PC or laptop in just few easy steps.